Madeline.
Wait, where's the bell?
Hey, Maddie.
Wait a minute. Here.
Wait a second. Don't go in the other room. There's Timmy. Timmy, hi. Wave to the camera. Okay. Oh, she's bringing you a present. What do you say? Say thank you so she can hear you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Madeline, keep the noise down. Madeline, keep the noise down.
She's like, what is he talking about?
Sorry, go ahead. I'd like to hear. Yeah. Woo! Woo!
All right.
Go ahead.
She's.
Timmy, front and center. Maddie, peekaboo. How are you?
Oh, she's giving you a present. Yeah. Oh, that makes it 10 times better. Madeline,
Peekaboo.
come here. You giving that to Grandpa?
1, 2,
Okay.
3.
Be careful.
What? Yeah.
Oh, that was good. That's what you do. Sit down, Timmy. Come on. Come sit next to me. Timmy, come sit next to me. You want to sit down?
Yeah.
You can
Go
sit.
ahead.
What are you doing?
Go. Yeah. Yeah. What? You want to get out? Open the door?
No.
No?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
What's wrong, Madeline? Say hi. Say hi.
Timmy, let's just watch out.
Timmy, let them out.
Just you're gonna have to move up just a second.
Timmy, why don't you come lay down on the... Come over here and lay right here. Timmy?
Yeah.
Maddie. Maddie.
All right. Yeah. Ooh.
Nope, she's got to find Timmy. Oh, I know. You love Timmy. Timmy's just not feeling well. See? She's trying to talk to you. You trying to get to the phone? Madeline. Maddie, what is
Can I
that?
have that?
Maddie, can I see it?
No.
Can I see it? Whoa. Uh-oh.
Put your head down when you get up. Be careful on this side.
Uh-oh.
Careful on this side of that table. She's gonna trip.
I know. Thank you. Thank you. That is so cool. What is that? Yeah. Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye to the camera. Madeline.
Bye-bye.
Madeline. Hey. Hey.
She's all right. Say bye-bye.
Madeline.
Bye this way. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hey.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay.
All right.
Bye-bye.